Hi everyone, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making sweet pork belly. It's crispy pork with sweet sauce we call Moo Waan in Thailand. It's crispy, crunchy and juicy as well. Alright, let's get started. You need a pound of pork belly. I got one skinless which is good to fry. But if you like the one with skin, you can use it instead. Choose the one that has more fat. It will be better because we're going to fry it. Make it crispy but keep it moist. Cut into chunks, just like this. After we fry, it will get smaller than this. So next, we need coriander loose, about 2 pieces, cut into small pieces. Substitute its stem if you don't have it. Garlic, about 3 cloves. Put into the mortar and add half teaspoon white peppercorn and then pound them together. Then set it aside. Next, you need a pan. Turn the heat to high. Add pork into the pan with a quarter teaspoon of salt to taste and protect it from popping hot oil onto your cells. Then add a cup of cooking oil before the oil gets hot. So we're going to fry it until golden brown. It takes a little of your time, but you will like the result. Once the pork turns to golden brown, it takes about 15 minutes. Remove from the heat, then filter it. Set aside. Next, we're going to make the sweet sauce. Place the same pan on medium heat. Add a little of cooking oil into the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the herbs in. Stir until you get aroma and then add 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and half cup of water. Then combine together. When you see bubble like this, it means that the sauce thickening, but not like a caramel. And yes, it's ready to go. So I'm gonna transfer the pork into the pan. Mix it up. It will take a few minutes to combine well. For this step, do not cook too long because the sugar going to become too sticky. After it cools down, causing the piece of pork to stick together and hard to eat. It's like a caramel candy. Remove from the heat. Oh wow, yummy. Look yummy. The pork is sweet but not too bad. You may need some sides such as pickle or some sauce. So today I'm going to show you how to make spicy and sour sauce Thai style. Okay, you need 1 cup of garlic, 3 to 5 pieces of Thai chili, fresh Thai chili, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of white sugar. Pound them together. Then add 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of warm water. Mix it up. Put into a bowl. You can add coriander or green onion. So you're ready to go. Thank you for watching. Like my recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye.